Previously, many of you often asked me about the global version of the new generation of Xiaomi Band 7. So now there are rumors, and let me talk about them in this video. Xiaomi Band 7 has been spotted on Singapore's Infocomm Media Development Authority or IMDA certification site. Xiaomi recently launched the Band 7 in its home country China, and now the IMDA listing suggests that the company is gearing up to unveil the smart band in the global market. The latest fitness tracker is a successor to the Mi Band 6, and features a larger display, always-on display, and a smart alarm feature. As initially spotted by tipster Mukul Sharma, Xiaomi Band 7 has appeared on the IMDA certification site, with model number M2130B1. It is listed on the website as a smart band. The IMDA listing does not reveal any specifications of the Xiaomi Band 7, but it hints that the smart band may soon launch in the global market. As mentioned above, the Xiaomi Band 7 has already been launched in China, so we have a good idea about its specifications. Let's have a look at it. The Xiaomi Band 7 is the successor to the Mi Smart Band 6, and it has been launched in China in two variants, Band 7 and the Band 7 NFC. The fitness tracker features a 1.62-inch full-screen and wall-touch always-on display, which has 25% more viewable area as compared to its predecessor. The smart wearable has 192 by 490 pixel resolution, 500 nits of peak brightness, and 326 ppi of pixel density. The company has also provided over 100 customizable band faces, allowing users to choose different looks for their wearable. The Xiaomi Band 7 also comes with various health-related features such as heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, SpO2 monitoring, and women's health tracking. In addition, it also supports Xiao AI Assistant, and features 120 sports modes, including 4 professional sports modes, with activity tracking, data analysis, and more for all-around guidance. Also below I will leave a list of various videos if you have not watched the new generation of Xiaomi Band 7. Thank you for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.